Hi everyone, welcome to Techies Hobbies. So in this video, I'm going to review a company called Silver Bezel from where I have ordered NATO straps. From this is a new startup that has come up, and mainly they are into NATO and leather straps. And I found that their strap quality is pretty superior, and hence I have ordered one NATO strap for my next watch project, that is the watch mod that I'm planning to do. So the strap has come but the watch is still not arrived, so I will first review this strap, and I will be doing a comparison of this strap with the normal typical NATO strap that is available in the market. And finally, I will put it on a watch, not the one that I am planning to, finally put it on, but
I'm gonna cock my nine.
all right. So this is the packaging. Firstly, for a strap, I have not encountered a box and everything. So this is pretty good, well thought of, and this is the NATO strap that has come up, and they have provided a cushion which is pretty good, right? So now, putting the box aside, so if you take a look at the strap, first thing that you will notice is that the buckle and all these links are pretty good quality, and looks a little different from a typical NATO strap. And the next part is regarding this texture. I think the texture is also pretty nice. Right, so this one is 22 strap. So I had checked how much it is, and it is around the 22, see 22.2 or in that range. And these straps are, of course, easily it can fit in a 22 watch. I have even tried to fit these in, like, similar NATO straps in even smaller sizes. That's possible, but it will not look as neat. So this one is the color combo is a Gulf edition, that is orange, white, and blue. So initially, my watch mod that I had planned had a bluish dial, so that's why I went for the strap. But then now it is going to be mostly skeleton, right? So anyway, but this strap still looks pretty good and will look good on that. So now next step is, let's compare it with the typical NATO strap. Yeah, the normal cheap NATO strap. So this one, I think, came with one of my watches that I had purchased as an extra strap. I didn't actually buy this, but the looks of it, you can see that this is the normal NATO strap that comes in. The first thing is, here you can notice that the difference is pretty evident, that this has a much better quality buckle, and also these things are kind of flimsy on this one, but in this it is very sturdy, right? So these move around, and like, it's of a little inferior quality when compared to this. And the next part is the texture. You can also see a difference in the texture. And another thing is, even in the length, it is pretty little bit of longer in length. So maybe in the second fold, it would, it will be easier to fold and keep it, is what I'm guessing. I need to wear it and see how it will look. Right, so that's pretty much the difference. Here you can see, even in stitching and all, I do see a little bit of difference when it comes to quality. Okay, let's keep this aside. Now the next part here is Let's try to put this on this particular watch.
I'ma cock my nine.
Okay, so it's on my wrist, and this is where I really feel that there is a very big difference when it comes to the quality, because it feels a lot better than typical NATO straps, and also the quality looks, you know, it kind of stands out when I am putting it. I think I need to make it a little more tighter, but yeah, you get my point, right? So overall I can see that the finish and everything is kind of more prominent when you wear it on your wrist. All right, so this is how the watch looks on my wrist. So Silver Bezel has a giveaway going on, where if you buy a strap from them, you will be part of this giveaway where you can win a Tissot Green Dial PRX watch. So make sure you can participate by just ordering a strap from them. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.